Creative Arts for Developing Minds is a nonprofit organization that teaches foster care and adoptive children to express themselves through music, art, and movement. Joining me now is the executive director and founder, Nan Arnstein, and John Pekas-Needon, who's on the board of directors. Welcome both to the show. It's nice to have you here.
Nice to be here.
So, Nan, you started this program. Tell me why you did it and what it's all about.
I started the program because I felt it was important to be able to give back to the community. I, as a child, learned to play the piano, and it became my solace and my comfort. And being a former foster care child, that was something I could take with me all the time. And now I'm at a point in my life where I want to give back. It made perfect sense for me to create an organization that can help current foster care children.
Great. And John, I know that you yourself are a foster parent.
I am, to 5.
You're 5 of
5 kids.
And you're also a
Yes.
grandfather?
And I just became a grandfather, yes.
Very exciting. So tell me how the program helps these children.
I think that when you look at these children, some of them that have been in foster care for a number of years, from say, at birth and they're not adopted right away, and then they're in different residential facilities or in foster care, they have their schooling, they have everything that they have to do. But one of the things that we're trying to do with Creative Arts for Developing Minds is to give them an outlet, to give them something to do, to more or less explain to them that, if you have different kinds of behavior, you can use the arts, whether it's painting, drawing, dance, singing, playing a musical instrument, and utilize that as an outlet for you. Instead of having to worry about getting in trouble or I want attention, you can utilize these creative ways.
Curbing behavior. Right?
Exactly, exactly. And a lot of these kids today might not have that opportunity in their schools, might not have the opportunity to pay for it, private lessons. So we're going to do that. We're going to give them the opportunity to come in as a class, teach them not only the arts, but about personal space, behavior, and to respect other people, to respect each other.
Great.
So, yeah.
Making progress. That's terrific. And then, what type of children do you cater to? Is it all ages?
We've targeted children ages 2 to 12. After doing a lot of research, we discovered that there were a lot of programs for children in middle school and high school, but not a whole lot of programs for young children, especially young foster care children. So it became imperative that, to me anyway, that we start with as young a child as possible, hoping that by having exposure to our programs and being involved with other foster care children, that it's going to help these children feel comfortable about themselves, about their environment and community.
All right, John, tell me about Family Fun Day. This is exciting.
Family Fun Day is on September 18th from noon to 4 at Wickham Park in Manchester, Connecticut. And Family Fun Day is going to be where people can come with their foster kids or their adopted kids and come into an environment of the arts, experiencing the arts.
Sounds terrific. Well, we're out of time. Thank you both for being here. And again, Family Fun Day, everyone is invited. Stay with us. More Connecticut Style after the break.